Hi there folks, welcome back to the channel. A little bit different this video. It's just a very short video to explain what's happened and why there's going to be a bit of a gap. So I've spent the last week in local cardio ward. I went in, Mrs. Dave and the daughter suggested I should go in because I was what I thought was horrendous heartburn. Wasn't. So the long and short of it is I'm okay. I have pericarditis, which best to explain is a bit like meningitis of the heart, and pleurisy. Now, so I started off with pains in the chest and heartburn and taking Rennie and all that malarkey, and it wasn't going away. I thought I'd poison myself with the epoxy, hence the cough, which is actually pleurisy. So I went in thinking that's what I'd done. I thought I'd put all the irritants down in my throat and what have you, which is giving me a horrendous hacking cough. At the same time, this horrendous burning pain up through the throat and into the jaw. Turns out that wasn't the case at all. It was this pericarditis, this viral infection I've got. So the long and short of it is I have been given strict doctor's instructions to give it a rest for a month. So a month off work and a month off garage. So I'm already crawling the walls. I'm not a month off type of person. I don't like sitting down doing nothing. So this is Mrs. Dave is going to be tying me down to stop me moving around, I think. So I thought it only fair I put the message out there to say what's happened, why there's going to be a gap. To be fair to the doctors and the specialists in the local cardio ward, they were brilliant. They put me through all my paces. So I've had an echo scan on my heart to make sure that's all okay, and that's good. I've had a CT angiogram to check all the vessels around that neck of the woods. That's all good. I've also had an invasive angiogram, which proved that all my heart vessels, all my blood vessels, everything is okay. My heart's actually in very good order, and all the blood vessels are all okay. It's just this infection I got, which isn't related to the epoxy. Apparently, I'm still nervous of it though. But I have been taking all the proper precautions, wearing charcoal, activated charcoal masks with particle filters on top as well. So I have been very careful about that. But it's just coincidence that it happened at the same time. Now, it's possible it's something I've been carrying for a while because I've had a cough for a while, and I've had flu twice this year, which is very unlike me. So on top of everything, it's just compounded, and it kicked off to this. So I'm not doing this video as a sympathy thing. It's just not me. I'm just making sure that everybody understands why there's going to be a gap before the next video. It's a real shame because we were just about to start making good progress. But hey ho, it is what it is. I have to listen to what the doc says. All right. Hopefully see you soon, and keep up the good work on your own projects, and keep an eye out. I shall return.